Saints fans. Saints fans, Saints fans. You know I'm Falcon to death. And I'm watching y'all. I'm watching you. Oh, I'm watching you. Because if the Minnesota Vikings go in there and beat y'all, get ready to log out, because some of y'all gonna block me. Y'all gonna be mad. And I'm gonna get on that page and I'm gonna break dance all over my timeline. So I'm telling you, Falcons fans, rise up with me. Y'all know what it is. We going for it. Ain't no secret. We going for a Saints loss today. Let's go, Falcons fans. Minnesota Vikings. I am a Atlanta Viking today. Rise up.